Hello everyone. Today we are talking about the biggest challenge with my DJI Mini 2. This is not regular signal loss. This is a problem where the remote controller RC cannot connect at all. My drone has three main faults: a failure to connect, a serious problem with the 5.8 GHz band, and the drone not powering off even when the button is pressed. In today's video, we will detail how to identify these issues. Now, let's try connecting step by step. First, let's try turning on the RC and the drone using the normal method. Second attempt. Now, let's press the three buttons on the controller and put it into pairing mode. We will try using the drone's power button as well. Third attempt. Perhaps there is no firmware update. Let's check that too. The result. No matter how many times I try, no connection is established. This makes it clear that this is not a problem we can fix by updating firmware or changing settings. This is 100% a hardware fault. It is not a software error. This is an IC fault right on the Mini 2's main board. Also, look, I am now pressing the drone's power button, but the drone is not turning off. All these symptoms, I believe, originate from the same main fault. So the only definite way to solve our problem is to replace the damaged IC. How to do that, how to dismantle the drone, and the complete process of that technical repair will be shown to you in my next video. If you are interested in these kinds of rare faults on the DJI Mini 2, please subscribe to my channel. Also, comment below with your thoughts on this connection problem. See you soon.